It's time to unbox the new Xiaomi MIX Fold 3 that has been launched yesterday in China. So let's quickly open the lid of the box to check out what we are getting inside. So the first thing we are getting here is a quite simple leaflet. It's quite a plain leaflet with a branding of Xiaomi MIX Fold, and there is also a text of co-engineered with Leica. So let's quickly put this aside and check out the main stuff here. Here's the Xiaomi MIX Fold 3. As you can see, it is looking really premium wrapped in this plastic. Taking out the plastics is the best part of the unboxing, so let's quickly do the job here and have a closer look at the device itself. So as we have removed the plastic, it's time to turn on this device. So the best thing about the MIX Fold 3 is that it is now very lightweight and sleek. It is only 5.23mm thick when in an unfolded state, and in a folded state the device thickness jumps to 10.90mm. So here are the main stuffs, and here's the box containing some documentations. Let's quickly open this to have a look what we are getting inside. So as you can see, here is the case and some documentations. The case is looking a hard case for the back of the device. So let's quickly put this on. So as you can see, it fits perfectly into the smartphone and everything is looking quite perfect. So here is also one more interesting thing you can see here. This is a frame protector, and it will surely protect it from some minor drops indeed. So I think everything is now fixed and it's time to check out the device itself. So when will you unfold this device, you will find an 8.03-inch 2K OLED display here, that is an LTPO panel. The panel here features an ultra-thin glass and brings HDR10 Plus support with Dolby Vision. It also has a 120Hz refresh rate. It has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset under the hood with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. It comes with 4800 mAh battery with the same 67W wired charging as the MIX Fold 2, but with added 50W reverse wireless charging. It is loaded with MIUI 14 based on Android 13. I won't dive deeper into the specs, so do check the description for the detailed specs. There is a quad camera setup here with a 50MP IMX800 main cam, a 12MP ultra wide, a 10MP telephoto with 3.2x zoom, and a 10MP periscope with up to 5x optical zoom. All the three camera sensors are supported with OIS except the ultra wide angle lens. Drop down your views about the phone in comments below. Make sure to subscribe our channel because we bring you the latest tech from all around the globe. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling.